instead of that. I like that a lot. You can just pop that line on and off very easy. Yes, sir. Big old back. Oh, TR number one. Number one, baby, get him. Oh, this feels like the right breed. Let's go, baby, let's go! That man, get your jaw ready. Ah. He's not in the junk. Yeah.
He got out.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's a good one, baby. That's a good one, baby. I'm gonna shut this live well lid behind you. Come on, baby. Woo! Hot dog. Be over under. You're under. You're good. You're good. Put this net down. I don't need it yet. Hold on. Tell me what to do.
Oh man, our first is gonna be a mess. Get on this one. Right. Going over that one. You gotta go over that one. That's good. Okay. Good. One more.
Probably gonna come back. Just watch this motor. Let me kick that motor all the way up real quick. Woo!
Alright, just let this up.
Yep. We don't need to lose this fish. Good gosh.
Oh, this almost looks like a flathead. Oh, it's right. It's right.
Yeah! Woo!
I got it. I got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go. First one in the boat. We got a mess, but we're going to deal with it. Yes, sir. Man. Good job, buddy. Boy, he choked that sucker, didn't he? Oh, he's on the tongue. Holy cow. You want some pliers?
I got it.
Yes, sir. Oh, he's got another line in his mouth. Look at there. Look at there. Somebody else done caught this dude. Look at there. I'll leave it in. Okay. Okay.
Numero uno.
Number one. Let's get it, baby. Man, get your big butt in there. Easy. Left-handed high five. Let's go. Ooh, come on, boy. Oh, number one. Number two. Yep. Yes, sir. Here we go again, boys. Here we go again, boys. Come right to the plate.
Alright, that's going to be our first call, but it is our limit.
Yeah!
Alright, we got a limit, brother.
Nice fish.
Got a limit. I'll get that mess in a second.
Oh, number 6. Number 6. He's still messing with that thing. You watch right. Green. Oh, number 1. Boy, I thought that sucker had it. I thought that sucker had it. Yes, sir. Y'all TR caught that fish. Oh, get out the jump. Get out the jump. Doggone it. Well, it be like that sometimes, y'all.
Time they drop them down to $50, I'm gonna pick up enough.
Doggone. Yeah, that is a deal. Oh, something happened.
Yep.
Oh, we got a fish.
Still on there, buddy.
We got a fish. TR literally popped it loose and we got a fish, y'all. And he's running.
He's been on there for a while. He's been pretty tired.
Yeah!
I knew he was on there. I kept feeling him.
I tell you what, I was ready for you to pull and break off. Cannot believe that, y'all. Man, TR on the handle. Y'all, I would have helped him, but he's got it handled. He's a professional. He's done this a time or two by himself.
Just don't want to lose him. That's the only thing.
Tell you what, that would break our hearts.
This is going to be we're going to be able to call if we can get him in the boat.
Yeah. Tell me if I need to move any of that planer board or anything. Looks like he's coming to you.
Coming right to me.
I'm gonna put this down and get the net ready, y'all. All right, big boy. I cannot believe you pulled that fish off of that stump. Yes! Yes! Oh man, he's definitely gonna be a take our call out.
Hey y'all, we calling.
Nice, man, nice. All right, let me get that guy out there. I love it when it's easy to know what you call.
All right, let's kiss this one goodbye. Bye, buddy.
Nice, buddy. Unbelievable.
Knows about it. But like next week, going up into Wolf Creek would be another good one.
Yep. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Let's go. Watch them stumps, baby. Watch them stumps. Oh, It's a striker though.
Dude, this would be a fillet his butt and take him home.
That'd be a good eater right there.
It's an eater. Sometimes these dudes, dadgum eyes are bigger than their mouth. So that joker ate about a 7 or 8 inch shad.
At least.
At least.
His gut's fat too. I see it poking out.
Yeah. So that shad, our bait's right there.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Nice.
all right, homies. We changing tactics. So we're on the anchor this morning from Lions End to about 9 o'clock. And fortunate enough to get our limit and have a couple of nice fish. We caught a couple. So now we're swinging for the fences. We are pulling giant baits, and we're going to hit the flats and the curves and just see what we can get, guys. All I can say is wish us luck. All right, guys, so Ken and I were having a fantastic tournament up until this point, and I really don't know how to present this next part, guys, other than to say that when the warm weather comes out, googans come out too. Some really inconsiderate folks. Anyway, we're about to see a true bass hole come right by our boat, and all I can say, guys, is excuse the language. Ken and I both got hot. This guy was incredibly inconsiderate, but I'll watch this right here.
Dude, that's a second time.
Wow. Sorry about the language. Sorry about that finger, guys, but we got in the flesh real quick when that boat come by. And we're fixing to have a little confrontation too. Hang tight.
I'm like, if he stops, I'm ready to go talk to him because that's the second time. For all the line you just pulled off my planer board. Yeah, it snatched every bit of the line off we had. How about $20 to pay for that line? Every bit of it. It spooled us. Like, that's the second time you've done it to us today, man.
No, that was actually one time.
Okay, well, you got it one time then.
I'm sorry. I was trying to, you know.
I'm serious. How about $20 for my fishing line? Huh?
That's right where you need to run. There's stuff all up in here.
Listen.
I'm not saying that.
I know you.
I've been up here a lot. I know you're up here all the time.
I want $20.
I mean, I'll give you $20.
Okay. Well, it's more about the principle than anything.
Well, I mean, you know how the stones come out right there? That's where I was.
The channel is on that side. These markers right here are wrong.
As soon as I
But
ran
listen,
on your
when
right
you
side.
see somebody with planer boards, you ain't got to get 10 feet from them, buddy.
I wouldn't. I should have set it down, but I was.
Or you could
wanted
have
to
stopped if you seen you hit us and said, "Oh my God, man, I'm so sorry. I just went right through your board. My bad." You give me $20 and we're straight. And I hope y'all don't do that again, man. Just be more courteous out here, dude. There's too many.
It was that
crazy
one spot
people.
right where them stumps are, and it kind of had me messed up, and then.
All right, y'all, so we're here trying to catch our breath, and you know, we coined the term bass hole, and you know, don't mean to say it that way.
That is a true word today.
But I mean, if you're fishing in a boat with a ginger, you gotta be wary.
Oh yeah, you better know what you're getting into. Oh shoot. Is this your furthest board? Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't see it over here, buddy. I about did it.
Oh no. But anyway, guys, we're cooling off. We're gonna go anchor up and chill out a little bit. Woo. All right, y'all, we are down to about the last, say, 10 or 12 minutes in this tournament, so it's almost 3 o'clock. We're going to start pulling rods in here for a minute. But long story short, from the time we put lines in this morning till about 8:30, it was pretty active, and ended up with 2 decent fish, and it's almost truth-telling time. I sure would like to have a couple of 30s in there, but I think we've got probably I don't know, close to 35 pounds, maybe close to 40 between the two fish. Hard to say if it's going to be enough to, I think we'll place, but it's hard to say. I mean, you never know what's going to happen in a tournament like this. But anyway, I'm going to show you what's in the box, guys, and then it's going to be time to get them in, and it's going to be truth-telling time here in just about an hour when we get to the ramp. Right there they are. Let's hope that's enough. Think it's going to be enough, bro?
I sure would like to hope so, man. How exciting would that be if we had the doggone bag limit?
Yeah.
That'd be crazy.
Yes, it would.
Or heck, even big fish. That'd be fun too.
That would be fun. Anyway, guys, it's truth-telling time. We'll see you at the weigh-in.
Let's do it. YouTube. Team YouTube.
Team YouTube.
Video and things. Got video.
I'm excited to be here, y'all. This one's still live. Moment of truth.
14.39. Second fish. 23.64. Good job, fellas. Good job. Total weight 38.03. 38.03.
Two more.
Good job.
Come up here. Can you hold?
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Are they on?
Good job.
You stand in the middle without the fish. Come on without the fish. Hold them under your belly.
Thank God y'all didn't catch an eagle.
Slide over a little bit, sweet.
Just got a few more boats. We can wrap it up, y'all. A few more boats.
Alright.
We got real screamers coming next.
All right, they called that pretty quick. We got a 6th place finish out of 44 boats. Not bad.
Mike Bradford and crew. Y'all come on.
Attaboy, Mike.
Mike Bradford, local guy, big fish.
Biggest fish.
How much that fish worth?
I'm just gonna keep it, man. The total for this year is $94,525 to the children's, to the youth home. Unless somebody wants to come up with a couple $600, we can go out at 10, 100,000. No, 95,000. I'm sorry. Finishing the 6th place, $600. You too.
Can you hold two? Can you hold two of them? It's black. It's okay. It's on. Point shoot.
$600.
Stop.
Local guys too.
Is it even ballfish? It's black, but it's...
All right, brother, I'm headed to the house.
All right, man. I enjoyed it.
it.
Always a pleasure.